And we are live. Okay, so this is homework 1, questions 1 through 3. So question 1 says, this is homework 1. Homework number 1, question 1. It says, you're driving an automobile at a velocity of 60 miles an hour. What I like to do is I like to just keep track of the given information, 60 miles an hour. How many feet per second? So our end result down here is going to be feet per second. So we're going to have two conversion factors, one converting miles to feet and the other one converting hours to seconds. So one converting miles to feet and another converting hours to seconds. So miles to feet, we want to have feet up here, so that would be 5,280 feet equals 1 mile. And we have, that will cancel out the miles here. We're left with feet. Now we have to change hours to seconds. So we have to have hours up at the top here and seconds down here. What's the conversion factor that would do that? Well, 1 hour equals 3,600 seconds. The hours will cancel and you're left with seconds. You make this multiplication and you come out with, just grab a calculator here. Put this down. And you have 60 times 5,280 divided by equals divided by 3,600. And your answer is 88 feet per second. That's the first one. That's question number 1. Now for question number 2. It says, if the distance from Canyon Country campus to the Valencia campus is 9.5 miles, how many meters is this? So we get our little convert here. Want to run it and slide that over someplace. We want to change miles to feet. So, or how many feet is this? Okay. Well, we could use this conversion factor here to change miles to feet. 9.5 miles. We want miles to cancel out. 5,280 feet equals 1 mile. And that will make, if we grab our calculator, our miles will cancel. I'm going to clear that. And 9.5 times what's it doing here? Clear 9.5 times 5,280 equals, I don't know what number that is. Let's try that again. Clear it. 9.5 times 5,280 feet equals, and we have 50,160. 5,060 feet. And the second part of the question is, how many meters is this? So that's when we could use convert, because we need to convert, we need to know how many meters is in a foot. So we're looking for meters. 1 meter equals how many feet? 1 meter is 3.28 feet. So that's our conversion factor. 50,160 feet. And our conversion was 1 meter. Equals 3.28 feet. Our feet will cancel, and we do a division. Clear this. We've got 50,160 divided by 3.28 equals 15 to how many meters? 15. That seems a little high. What did I do here? Let's pause here. Okay, so we're back. Just make this simple division. 50,160 divided by 3.28, and you get 15,289 meters. And then it asks, well, that's question 2. So we want to go to question 3. And that question is, assuming the above velocity and distance, how many seconds does the trip take? So the formula that we need to use is distance. This might be familiar to some. Distance equals velocity times time. We have our meters, 15,289, and we're looking for our velocity,